Hey guys, Jeremy here. And if you are in a commercial setting where you have custodians come in or even your own employees that are filling up mop buckets, we have a commercial grade mop bucket faucet. Now, this one was sent to me at no charge for this review, and I don't have a commercial setting, so I'm not going to be installing this, but I am going to show you how to install this. So you get your nice faucet here, you got your chrome handles, and it's going to be hot and cold on both sides. And then what we have here on the end of the faucet, that's going to be a mop bucket holder if you want to do it that way. Now, if this is raised up off of the floor, it does come with a hose attachment, and then you got the outside threads here on the end of the faucet so that you can connect that hose and you can fill up your mop bucket. Pretty simple and easy to do. Now, when you are installing this, you're going to want to take these eccentric bolts, is what they're called, and put your gasket or your washer in there, and then you're going to connect it right here on the back side of and then this is going to come up against the wall. This is where your water source is going to come from. Your hot and your cold, of course, and you've got two of those. So that's pretty simple and easy to do. And then this is going to be about 14 inches up, and you're going to be able to also secure it to the wall. And it's just going to be a pretty standard operation here, easy to do. And that does come with hardware to fasten that to the wall. Now, that's what that's going to look like, just like that. And that's going to have a pivot up here at the top so you can get just the perfect angle. You're going to support that there. And then you've also got your eccentric bolts, which are also going to lay up against the wall. And so they're going to have plenty of support to hold the weight of a mop bucket. You do also have a vacuum setting up here with just two screws to blend your hot and your cold. So if you are in the commercial setting and you are looking to install a mop bucket station, this faucet right here, like I say, super easy install. You're going to be able to have this up and running in minutes. Several different applications for this, and this is solid, really nice looking unit here.